Hi guys, another one of my boxes of junk, well not entirely junk. This one's my little quads. That one is, I think they call it an iDrone or something. Where's the DIY drone? Yeah, iDrones says there. That's one I picked up in a charity shop, £4.99. You had to assemble it. There wasn't really very much assembling, but yeah, you had to assemble it. That one's a Hubsan H111 Nano Q4. That's one that's got the controls reversed to what I'm used to. It's mode 1 instead of mode 2. I find that impossible to fly. That was a charity shop one as well. Well, yeah, most of my stuff's charity shop. Ninja quad. That one does fly, but only flies for about 20 seconds, 30 seconds. Charity shop, £4.95. And then this one, I actually bought brand new quite a long time ago. It wasn't £14.99, it was on special offer. I think it was about £9.99 or something. And that one looks like it needs the motors replaced on it. Looks a little bit sorry in there, doesn't it? I did notice that one looks so similar to the, well, in fact they all look very similar. Looks very similar to that one. And actually the Hubsan looks very similar as well in there. Anyway, as it happens, I have just charged that one up. So we'll just see if we can fly it a little bit. I've actually got to go upstairs to the workroom, junk room, which is where this lot came from, because I've just been printing something. So we'll see if we can fly it through the house and upstairs. I think that's about as long as the battery will last. So we won't be doing anything clever with it. So hat camera on. Power on that one. Okay, looks like we have some power. Drifting quite a bit to the left. Don't know if I can get my finger on the trim or not. Alright, we seem to have a bit of control now. Oh no, come back. Flipped over on his back. I didn't realise we had quite so much junk in the way. Not quite sure. Yeah, alright. That wasn't quite as smooth as I hoped. We're not doing very well at all. Battery's running down as well. I said it wasn't going to last long. God dear. Will we actually make it up the stairs? That's the door we want to go in. I need to open it. Ah, dear me. Right. Okay. 3D printer. That's what we've come to look at. We put this down in a bucket. That wasn't quite where I meant to go. I was trying to get it in there. Right, that's what we've come up for. That. Okay. That's cooled down so we can switch that off. Take the card out. Another drone there, in fact a couple more. Cricket. Oh, Battlehawks, that's a pair of drones. They work pretty well, they're alright. What a mess. Doubt whether we got enough power to get back downstairs. Well, that's one way of getting downstairs, isn't it? Oh, still the right way up. Not very stable, this one, as you can probably tell. Nope, pretty hopeless. You can probably guess I was trying to land on there. Battery slipped. Right, well, we managed to land eventually. That was pretty rubbish. Never mind, I might give it another go actually. Now that I've actually flown it around a bit. Give it a recharge and have another little go, but maybe not try and go up the stairs. Or at least clear the stairs off before I try. Right, back to what I was doing, which is trying to make this Lego clone car hobby grade radio control. I was just digging a bit deeper into my junk pile and I found this one, CX10 4-channel, £2.45. This is the one that's got the mode 1 instead of mode 2 that's impossible for me to fly. I just can't cope with it. It's not the Hubsan, wherever that was. That was the Hubsan. Yeah, I don't remember what the deal is with the Hubsan. But it's not that it's mode 1. That's the one that's mode 1. So I thought I'd better add that onto the end of the video just in case people look back at my old videos and say, no, you got the wrong one, Grandad, because I have. That's the one. What a lot of little drones.
Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.